want to make amends and you really want to show that you actually did love them, but you just didn't know how to.
Mm.
Yeah. I think there are many families where parents have a fractured relationship with adult children because of the kind of things you're
Hmm.
talking about. And yes, I think it's always healthy, whether you read something in a book that causes you to realize that, or you hear a lecture and you realize, boy, I messed up on that. It's always healthy to go back to an adult child if they will allow you to speak to them and say, I've been thinking about my life and looking back over my life, and just realize that exactly what you said earlier. I messed up on some
Hmm.
stuff. I loved you. Looking back on it in my mind, I loved you, but I know I didn't express it in a very good way. And I know you. I mean,
Hmm.
you've told me that you feel like I didn't love you. So I'm just telling you now, as an adult, I'm still trying to learn, and I I don't know. I hope you can forgive me for that, because I do genuinely love you. I loved you then. I just didn't know how to express it in a way that was meaningful to you. And whether they'll just immediately forgive you or not, I don't know. But they're going to walk away
Hmm.
and be thinking, "Wow, I never thought I'd hear that."